Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai here. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make mango and sticky rice. So last time I did a video, I was in Thailand. My fans, some of you guys, most of you guys are not from Thailand, so you don't have that bamboo, like the cone thing for the steaming for the sticky rice. But that's okay. Today I'm in Melbourne and I will teach you how to make mango and sticky rice without using the bamboo steamer. So if in your house we got one of the steamer, like that one over there, you're gonna see like that one over there that have the hole, and you can steam that. That's perfect. Can use that perfectly. I will show you all the ingredients what you need to make mango and sticky rice. First thing first, you need mango, coconut cream, or you can use any coconut milk, sticky rice, salt, sugar, and another thing is you need the cloth sheet. If it's possible, I want you to find the white one. I cannot find the white one and I don't know where to buy them. If you guys know where to buy them, please comment down below. So I have one of these green one. Don't judge me. It can use too because look, it's see-through. Of course, it's even though it's green, but it's fine. Alright, you need to find one of that. That's very important. So I was gonna tell you the trick about choosing mango. It turned out the Australian mango, some of the kind are not sweet as much as the one in Thailand. We have mango especially for the mango and sticky rice, but I cannot find it here. It's called mamuang nam dok mai. That type of mango, when it's green, is super sour, but when it's yellow, when it's red, is so sweet. And that type of mango we eat with sticky rice. But I cannot find that one in here. But one mango that I can find in Asian market is one of this one. They look like this. To check how sweet they are, you can smell them. I'm serious. You can smell this part. The sweet they get, the smell of them are very strong. So the strong smell, the sweetest they get. For coconut milk, I prefer to use coconut cream. In Thailand, again, we had one brand so good. I just use that one, but I cannot find in here. So I use coconut cream because it's more creamy, and that's what you want when you're cooking mango and sticky rice. And for the sticky rice, I made the video how to rinse it, how to clean it, which I will be showing you right now. Just early before you cook sticky rice, I recommend you to put the sticky rice in the water for at least 3 hours. Up to 6 hours is it possible. So this one is optional, but is make the sticky rice more shiny and have clear color. The sticky rice here quite white, but when you steaming it without the oil, the sticky rice will have like the white kind of look that not so pretty. But if you have this one, I'll show you how to do it. So what I'm gonna do is put the oil in here in the sticky rice, and I'm gonna put water in like that. So this is the oil. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like this. Clean the sticky rice. Clean them with the oil. We need to clean the sticky rice until the water that clean is clear. But first we need to do this, and then leave it for 10 minutes. So next step is put the rice in the steamer. I already done that. I put it in there. I didn't show you because the camera didn't record. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. So what I did is I put the cloth underneath it, and then I wet the cloth with the water, and I cover it with this one. So I'll be steaming the rice for 20 minutes, and then I flip them over and then cook them more for another 10 minutes. So altogether 30 minutes for steaming the rice. So while we wait for the sticky rice to cook, I will prepare the coconut sauce. First I add coconut in without any heat. Add the sugar. And I will add a little bit of salt. Yes. and I will put it on a low heat. Gonna stir them. I just want the sugar and the salt to melt, and that's it. I don't want it to cook too long. Okay, now the sugar is melt, the salt is melt. You can feel it, like there's no sugar lump. I turn the heat down and I give it a little taste. It's sweet and it's not that salty. I didn't want it to be too salty, so I'm not gonna add more salt. So one trick that I know, the recipe that I give to you, you don't have to do it like completely like the same as I did, because some of the ingredients are different. For example, this coconut cream is salty more than the one in Thai brand, the one I normally use. So last time I add the salt in that ingredient, but this time I didn't add too much salt because, like I said, this coconut cream is salty. So what you need to do is you taste them. The coconut sauce for the sticky rice is supposed to be sweet and then a little bit salty, a little bit, not too much, but you can taste the saltiness. Alright, it's been 20 minutes now. We're gonna flip the rice to the other side. I just flipped up the sticky rice and I'm gonna put back in here and cook for another 10 minutes right there, and I will see you in 10 minutes. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. The sticky rice is ready. I'm gonna get them out. I'm gonna put it in the big bowl here. I got like spatula and then the coconut sauce. So trip guy, you need this cloth to be like very wet, like soaking wet. I really want to find a white sheet if possible. It's by my finger. The next step, all you need to do is to put the coconut sauce in here. Alright, you can add the color in here too to make it look nice, but I don't have any color. So it kind of look like this, if you can see them here, and then add it more. It will be a little bit wet, but that's okay because we're gonna let it sit until the sticky rice is soak all the coconut sauce. Because my family, my mom, my auntie, they all moved from Ayutthaya. So Ayutthaya is like they are very Thai. They're cooking most of the Thai food, Thai dessert. They use a lot of coconut. And then as a kid, I always loved how my auntie cooked the food, how my mom cooked the food. It's just in my blood now. I like to do the cooking. I would used to sneak out from the house after school. I would not do homework in my house, and I would go hang out with my friend, and I would be cooking. My grandma was like looking around. She thought I would be like going to making some trouble, and then it ended up me and my friend was in the house cooking Thai dessert or cooking some Thai food. It's just like so much fun. We're gonna do the coconut sauce on top of it. It's very easy. All you need is coconut and then salt. So add the coconut in here, coconut cream. And then heat it up on low heat. On very low heat. Let me try it first, how salty it is. Okay. Add more salt. Like a pinch of salt first. Another pinch. And that should be enough. That's it. Okay, while we wait alright, while we wait for the sticky rice to sit for 10 minutes. Oh, I forgot to set the time up. We gonna cut the mango. So I decide to do roast design if I can do it. My first time. First thing first, I need to peel the mango. Let me know down below what is your favorite fruit and why. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm gonna try to make a roast shape. I don't know if I can do it, but we don't know until we try, don't we? Turn out to make it very small.
An hour later.
God dang it. Okay, yes! Been waiting for this moment. Cheers, guys. Wow. So, if you're using the same coconut like I do, you don't need to add more salt in the coconut cream on top. Like this. But when sticky rice and fresh sweet mango is combined together, oh, it's so good. You got one some? Yeah. When I say I want you guys to open your mouth. How was it? So good. We can hear it outside. It's raining right now. But if you guys try to cook this recipe, don't forget to let me know and tag me on my Instagram, or you can just go and check it out. Follow me on my Instagram. Let me know how you like it. Or if you want to see, other than the vlog that I post, you want to see what I do in daily, update weekly, you can check out my Patreon. Become a Patreon member, and then I will upload the video weekly, separate from YouTube, so you can know where I'm going, what I'm doing, what I'm up to. And that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys like my video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.